everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be teaching you how to make $50 to $100 daily using your Facebook page story. So if you're ready, follow me in this video as I teach you how to make $50 to $100 daily using your Facebook page story. Hello and welcome back to my channel once again. In this video I'll be teaching you how I'm able to make $50 to $100 daily using my Facebook page story. So I'll be teaching you how to make $50 to $100 in your AdSense using your Facebook page story. So before we start, let me show you my AdSense dashboard for today. So as you can see, today I've earned $51.76 so far. Yesterday I'm able to earn $73.42, and then the last 7 days I'm able to earn $708.22. So all these are coming from my Facebook page story. So let's get started. So if you have a Facebook page, you must have a minimum of 10,000 followers, and then you're able to undergo or do the process that I'll be teaching you in this video. So if you have lesser than 10,000 followers on your Facebook page, there is another video for you that will guide you to be able to implement this strategy. So let's get to our Facebook. So what we are going to do is that we are going to launch our Facebook app, and this process mostly work on mobile phone. So if you have a mobile phone, make sure you use it. You log on to your page and implement this strategy. So I'll go to my Facebook page. So this is the page that I want to use to show you how I'm able to make $50 to $100 per day, as you saw on my AdSense dashboard. So this is my Facebook page. Now the story we are going to add to our Facebook story. So basically this is our Facebook page story here. So over here we are going to click on add to story. Now this will open your phone gallery for you to select an image or video or something that you want to use for your page story. So basically I advise that you use a picture that is nice, that will trigger people to be able to perform action on your page for you. So I'll select a picture. So I'll select this picture of mine here. So as you can see, the picture has been selected. So the next thing that you're going to do, please take a close look at this. So we have with the options on the right side over here, we have sticker, we have text, music, effects, draw, and they said click to see more. So you click to see more. We have tag people, link. So with the link aspect over here, this is where we are going to use. So we are going to click add link. So we are going to click on the link section over there. Now you will be asked to paste your link. So over here, if you have lesser than 10,000 followers on your page, you will not be given the access to add a custom link onto your page story. So what we are going to do next is that we are going to go to Google. So if you have on your website, you log on to your website. So this is the site that I want to use. You can also visit and read more news over there. So with the Gist Paper website here, so what I'll be doing next is that you look out for any post that is performing best on your site. You click on that post, and then after opening the post, you make sure you copy the link of that post. So if you copy the link of the post, then you come back to the page story. Now for the purpose of this video, I'm going to paste the link here. So this is the link that I've copied from the website. So after pasting it, you click on add. Now, so if you check the link section over there, you realize that there's an indication that link has been added. Now, the next thing that we are going to do is we are going to click on stickers. So you click on stickers. Now you go and select GIF. So at the GIF option, you type and search SWIP, SWIP. So this is what is going to trigger your followers to be able to perform action. So there are varieties of the SWIP GIFs over here. So I'll be selecting one. So I'll be selecting this one, SWIP up for magic. So as I select that, I'll position that GIF at a place where your followers can be able to see and also perform an action. So what this means is that after you share this video to your story, anyone who sweep up the image, or any follower who views this story and sweep up, it's going to automatically open the article whose link that you've copied for the person to be able to read. So the more people sweep up, the more they read, the more traffic you also get, and then the more money you earn. So if you are done with this option here, so you now click on share. So if you click on share, it will process and then it will add to your story. So as you can see, it has added to the story. So anyone who views this story, so with the story over there, if you click on view story, there are some other stories that I've added previously. So as you can see, people are liking and also doing. So now it's creating the new one that I've added over there. So this is how you can be able to make $50 to $100 using your page story. So if you have an active page, this can help you to be able to earn $50 to $100 daily using your page story. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe. Make sure you also turn on the post notification button. Make sure you also share this video with your friends and loved ones. Thanks for watching, and see you in another video. Bye bye.